right, guys, I want to talk to you about the secrets of placing bandit signs. If you can see now, I'm on the side of the interstate, busy area. The great part about where we live is we live not too far off of the interstate. All of our cities are pretty much connected by the interstate. So that's the secret, guys. It's not about just putting out bandit signs and just placing them wherever. There's really kind of a science to this, and I'm going to show you guys kind of what we do, the secret to putting out these bandit signs. So you can see here in the back of me, this is the on-ramp where people come to get onto the interstate. As you can see, there's people are getting onto the interstate. But I want to show you guys what I do. Now you can see these cars coming along right here. And how I do it is, you can place it on either two sides. You can place it on the side of the right side or the passenger side. As you can see, these drivers, you can see this sign. And my trick is I put them right next to the sign. You see this sign that's standing up right here? They just had a tractor come and cut the grass. So the secret to putting them next to these signs is that when the mower comes, they go around these signs, as opposed to if you just put them out into the opening. If you just put them out right here, you see the grass is freshly cut. They'll just run over it with their tractors. So let me show you guys what I do. Just make sure you're safe when you're doing this, guys. See, no cars are coming, anything. So I'll come right here next to these signs. I put them on the drivers, where the driver could see them. You see, I have my sign, and I put it right next to this, to the sign, guys. Right there. So that they could see it. So when they're driving, they can see these, they can see the sign, guys. So it's very important. So you see, that's the secret to it, because think about it. How much traffic passes along the interstate every day, getting onto the interstate every day? So probably 10,000 people or so are going to be seeing this sign. And look right there. See where I got it, guys? And what we're doing today is we're traveling about 70 miles, going to another major town and city in our state. So what we'll do, we'll just stop along each exit and place these signs along the way. And I can't tell you guys how many times we receive calls from people who said they saw our sign on the side of the interstate. I'll put up some pics of mobile homes we purchased from people who said they bought the home because they saw a sign. Right off the interstate. And that's the secret, guys. That's the secret. If you want to know more about it, again, check out what we have to offer. The link is in the description, and you'll know how to handle these calls. You'll know what to say when these people call you with their mobile homes for sale. So that's the secret, guys. I hope this helps you out. All right, so I want to show you guys an example of what the sign looks like when a person is driving. What they'll see. So you see it's on the left side, and they'll see it. We buy mobile homes. That's it. You'll give that sign a call. And they're right hopping on the interstate just like we're doing. And again, people pass on these exit, guys, multiple times per week. This is their way to go home, back and forth to work, and they'll see it. And if they miss it the first time, they'll take a picture of it the next time. So it's nothing to be worried about. But your job is just planting the seed, and the rest will take care of itself. So keep marketing, guys. This is the example when it's on the right side of the road, right by the sign. That way they can see it. They haven't picked up their full speed yet. So perfect position, guys.